McManus with, with myself, and I want to show you a accidental technique that I figured out yesterday. Excuse me, that would be August 5th, in the Project Life app by Becky Higgins. Normally, I'm Sandy McManus of needsaribbon.com, but today I'm coming to you as myself with the Project Life app for the Android and Apple iPhone architecture. So this is what as you can see on the screen, this is what I created. It's a technique that's been around for a couple months, created by some extremely creative Project Life users, and they call it the Filmstrip technique. You have the like a strip of photos and you angle them like a film strip kind of thing. And I was playing around with that and I came up with this mirrored thing, which is just kind of an accidental thing, and I actually kind of like the way it turned out, especially with the wood. And I want to show you how to do that because there is a fair number of steps. I've written them down, but sometimes a video helps because that's actually working with the app. So let's get started. Let's open up the Project Life app on your phone or your iPad, actually. So you want to go in and you want to pick the blue triangle, and I did mine in R. Design R. Okay. And we're going to bring in our photos. So let's go. I have to scroll back a ways. Sorry. Way too many pictures. I'm scrolling. I'm sorry. I should just pick pictures. Whoops. I have way too many pictures. So we'll just pick 3. It doesn't really matter for this. You guys can put your own pictures in. You get the idea. So we'll pick 3. We'll go boom, and then in the orange square, put boom, and we'll boom, boom. Okay? Nice. Okay? Then let's fill in the blue rectangles, pockets. So I want to show you how I got the tree wood grain background. I had to briefly switch layouts to one with a horizontal one. Don't worry about that, actually. We need one with 4 horizontal pockets. I'm looking. Nope. I can't remember one. I switched briefly. Okay, we'll just go with that one because it's really kind of the reverse of what we're doing. And I want these back in the squares. And there's a reason why. Not that it's going to matter a whole lot, but you want to take your pocket kit selector, and those were from the Picturesque, I believe, edition. Nope. See, this is what happens when you have so many kits. Timeless textures. That's what it was. Yes? No. Ooh. Sandra. I really don't know. Whoops. There it is. Why can't I see it? Okay, well, you know what? Let's go back. This is a good learning thing. Let's go back and pick a different layout. I'm sorry, but this is a good learning tool for everyone. And pick a different layout. Was it in here? It was the textures. There it is. Okay, so you have to pick a smaller sideways pocket. Okay, so let's do this again. This is how you do it. You just kind of figure out which pocket. And no harm because you can just rearrange to your heart's content. Okay, so here we go. We'll move the boy off to these different pockets because I'm really trying to import 4 of those textures. And you'll see in a minute how that all works. Okay, go back. pick your R layout, design R. That's what I'm using. I already passed it. Design R. So this isn't my smoothest tutorial ever, but you will get the job done. Okay, there's design R. Okay, so I want to drag. Hopefully we didn't lose one of our oh shoot, did we lose one of our, we did lose one of our wood grains. Okay, well, no harm, no foul. Let's go back. Again, this is great learning. And we'll go there. And so I just picked another one because I want to bring in another one of those. There. Now we'll go back. But again, this is just how you learn, and this is how you play. So now I've got to, now we've lost one of our, now look at it appears. Goodness. Okay, so we're going to ditch that. We're going to bring in another picture. And this is kind of how I figure out this stuff. Hopefully I picked, yep. So we've got that. And you can see we've got the wood grain. We've got a strip of pictures. Isn't quite my dream thing, but this is just for a tutorial. You want to hit the up arrow, hit export as a 12 by 12. And you're just going to export it to your camera roll. Save image. Boom. Done. Now you're going to open up a new project and you're going to select the Big Shot. I'm coming up on it. Big Shot 4. You're going to do the Big Shot 4. And so what you're going to do here is you're going to import your page onto both sides. Okay. Then you're going to, you have to have the PicTap Go app. So you click on your photo adjuster, edit in PicTap Go, and then you're going to click on the crop tool and the spinny rotation tool, and we'll pick a rotation of 15 degrees just to be consistent. I don't know if that's exactly what I would have picked, but it's a tutorial. Okay, hit apply. Done. Okay, now we'll go on to this side. Go back into PicTap Go, edit in PicTap Go, hit our crop tool, and actually let's cancel. I crop, and you want to hit this mirror. So we're flipping it now. Now we're going to pick our rotation tool. We're going to go to 1, 2, 3. So that'd be 345 degrees because it's the reverse. Okay, hit apply. Done. Boom. And there you have your mirror image with his head cut off at the top. Let's see if we can still adjust that. Can we adjust that? Probably not because we've already mirrored it. And that's okay. But you get the idea. I mean, I would adjust that before I'd hit final, but that is how you do it. Hit your up arrow, make sure you export this 12 by 12 image. You're going to go into, you want to make sure if you're done with it, make sure you've added in any freeform text before you start with the rotation tool and all of that, just because it's going to get messy. Or any other text you want. Hit OneDrive. Or not, I'm sorry, not OneDrive. Export 12 by 12 image. And you want to export that to copy to Dropbox. It's the button next door. And I don't rename my projects. I just pick whatever the default that they give me now. In the beginning, I was renaming everything. It just took too much time, especially on nights when I'm making like 10 pages. Okay, go back in. Project Life. Hit the up arrow. export 12 by 12 image, and this is my backup plan. I save image to my camera roll. So there you go. That is how you get your mirrored